Hi, when do we use some and when do we use any? The word some means an amount of. So I can say, I have some time for you, or I have some friends, or I have some water in my glass. I'm talking about an amount of something. If I say, I have some friends, this is a positive sentence. To make it negative, I would say, I do not have any friends. I say any when I have not in a sentence. So I do not say, I do not have some friends. I say, I do not have any friends. The same goes with the sentence, I have some time for you. If we make it negative, we would say, I do not have any time for you. I have some water becomes, I do not have any water. The same goes if I say words like, I have hardly any friends, or I have scarcely any time, or I have barely any water left. The words scarcely, hardly and barely all have a sort of negative feel to them. So if we have a positive sentence, we say some, and if we have a negative sentence, we say any. Let's go back to some. So I can say, I have some money. And the negative is, I do not have any money. These rules also apply to the words someone, somewhere, and something. So I can say, I have someone to talk to. The negative is, I do not have anyone to talk to. I can say, I have somewhere to live. The negative is, I do not have anywhere to live. And I can say, I have something to eat. The negative is, I do not have anything to eat. If I ask you, which apple would you like? Your answer might be, I don't mind. I'll have any. So we can also use any when we are not that bothered about something specific. So we can say, I can live in any house. I can eat any kind of biscuits. I can cook any type of food. So if there is the idea that it does not matter about something, then we can say any. Of course, I can also say, I can talk to anyone. It doesn't matter to me who they are. We can say, I can live anywhere. It doesn't matter to me where I live. And I can eat anything. It doesn't matter to me what I eat. When I am asking a question, if I think the answer will be yes, then I use some. So if my friend comes to my house, I say, would you like some coffee? Or would you like some tea? Because I know she is always going to say yes. When a student comes for a lesson, I always say, do you have any questions? Because I do not know whether they have questions or they don't have questions. I do not know whether the answer will be yes or no. If I say, would you like some help? I am offering help. With an offer, we say some, because we are expecting that somebody will say yes. I hope you've learned something from this lesson. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment in the comments section if there is anything that I can do to help you with your English. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.